Hello, and welcome to another Ask a Foolish Question video. I'm Sam Robson, and with me today is Champion Shares Pros, Owen.
Hi, Sam.
Thanks for joining me.
You're welcome.
Right, we have had a question come in from one of our readers, and it is as follows. He is an investment novice with about £100 a month that he's really keen to get into stocks and shares. However, he has a few reservations about the fees on individual trades. He wants to know how he can buy all these small amounts of shares and build a portfolio with them. So, Owen, would you be able to shed any light on this matter?
Well, on £100 a month, clearly that isn't a massively economical amount to invest in just one trade of shares. I mean, you're looking at normally about £10 trading fees. So that could be 10% of your money goes. You've got stamp duty, another 0.5%, and there's a spread if he's buying small caps. So if he's just doing completely straightforward trading, I would suggest he doesn't. That would be my first tip. Now, what he could do is he could save that money up for at least five or 6 months. So he's got a larger block of maybe £500. Then he's brought his fees down to a more manageable amount, probably still a bit high. He could save for a year if he wants. Sure. He could save into an ETF for like maybe 2 or 3 years. And then once he's taken that market exposure, at that point, he could then change and start to move into individual shares. Or he could use something like the Halifax Share Builder service, which we've got, in fact, on the Motley as well. Share Builder, where you trade for £2. So you can invest in individual shares for £100 quite economically. 2% again isn't great, but if you're going to hold in a kind of foolish fashion for the long term, then that's going to amortize away. And you can actually, there's a little trick you can use with that, because people think of that as you set up 10 shares and each one you put £20 into a month, and that doesn't actually help you save the fee so much. So the thing to do with it is to set it up the day before the money gets invested. You say you're going to buy shares in BP or Shell. You go into that system and you say, I'm going to buy BP shares tomorrow, £100 worth, and then you still are exposed to getting the best price you can get that day. It's not market trading as such, but you get them for just the £2.
Fantastic. Well, Charlie, I hope that's answered your question. And for anyone else, if you want to send anything in for Owen to answer, then please send your emails to foolishquestions@fool.co.uk. Owen, thanks very much for coming in.
Thanks, Sam.
Thank you for watching.